So I've had many balconies over the years, but never really had a finished space I could just enjoy. A couple chairs, basic table, nothing crazy. So a friend put me in touch with Condo Kandy, and we started the process of reimagining my balcony. Pick a color. It's your choice. Okay, that one, that's the one I'm going for too.
All right, yay.
All right, buddy. I love how it has little flecks of yellow to kind of mix up the tone so it looks like real grass and not just flat green. So the at-home consult went great. Now that we've defined the vision, it's time to bring it to life.
This is going to completely transform this space. Right now you've got a slab of concrete. It's cold, wet, hard, stained in some places. We're going to create a whole new room for you to enjoy. So it's going to increase the usable square footage of your condo. You're going to love the view that you see looking over your new balcony, and you're going to come out here, you're going to relax, you're going to entertain, you're going to have friends over. You're going to just love your new space.
Wow, I'm floored. Check out that lawn. I don't even have to cut it. This is completely going to change how I work from home. But first, let's just relax and enjoy the view.